Okay, this is a quick video showing how to access the headlamp bulb in a Subaru Forester 2004 XS. First and foremost, on the passenger side, you have to take off this little airlock piece right here. There's a 10mm bolt right here, and a little black push pin right there. Once you release those off, you take this off. Put it to the side. There's the access point to the headlamp bulb right there. First and foremost, you need to take off the electrical connector, which is right here. Sorry about the train. You have to squeeze these two pieces in right here, and that takes off the electrical connector, exposing the male part to the headlamp bulb right there. Okay, after you have everything out of the way, now what you have to do is take this grommet off, this black piece right here, and you just have to pull it off. Put it to the side because you know you'll need to replace it. Put that to the side right there, and then there's the headlamp bulb right there, but it's held on by these two brackets, that piece right there, that piece right there. So what you do is you squeeze those two, let it hang down, and then now you can access the bulb. Gently pull out the bad bulb, get rid of that. Okay, so now we need to replace it with the new bulb, the good bulb. So you simply backtrack your steps. You put it back in here, making sure that the top terminal or male point is right there. You flip the little retaining wire, whatever you want to call it, back into place. And then now you need to replace the black grommet that we took off earlier, which would be this right here, making sure that it says top on the top part, just to make sure that it's put on properly. Slip it back on, make sure you got every single area, every single point of contact, and make sure, I guess, so you can keep the moisture and water out. Okay, we got that done. So then, you take the electrical connection, put it back into place, gently, preferably. Last thing you want to do is break something and have to replace something else. Alright. Everything feels tight. Everything feels nice and into place. So now here comes the fun part about just putting this little piece back on. Yep. Oh, you get the picture. Can't do it with two hands. You put this piece back on, put your 10mm bolt back into place, little black clip, and you should be good to go.